The item order function allows you to generate the detailed orders for your events. Let's say, for example, that we're going to do a dinner, so we select dinner entree as an item. Some of the guests are going to have filet mignon, and that'll be 15 guests, so we put a quantity of 15. We add item, and other guests will have roast beef, and so we'll put 10 in there. And now you can see we have roast beef and filet mignon on this. We're also going to have, we're going to rent tables and chairs for this event, and we're going to have 4 60-inch round tables that we're going to send. And we're going to rent some chairs, 27 chairs, add item. And now you can see that all the prices have been extended, the totals have been updated down here. If you want to delete an item off of the order, you highlight it, click delete menu item. You can also change these quantities down here after an item's been added, so we can change this to 25, and we'll see that the prices are changed. Section and sequence allow you to sequence the things on the BEO or on the setup instructions. If, for example, we wanted the rental items to appear first, then we could say section 1 is rental items, and section 2 would be menu items, and they would appear in that sequence. If, for example, we wanted chairs to appear before the round table, we could say this sequence 10 is chairs, sequence 20 is tables. And now when we print the banquet event order, that sequence will be shown. From here you can also jump to the menu maintenance function, and this is to be used on an emergency only basis. You should not use this to enter your menu. You should go to that from the main screen. You can also get a printout showing or a report showing your reservations on the screen here. The add default function will add default items to your order. Let's say, for example, you do a lot of business meetings, and in the business meetings there's a podium rented and a projector and a screen. You could add those into the default orders, and you do that in the file database maintenance section. And then by clicking add default, you can have all 3 of those items appear on the order screen. Here we'll show you selecting optional menu items after having just added them to the menu maintenance. In that case, we added optional items to the banquet buffet menu item. So we highlight that, and then we click on Add Menu Option. That'll bring up the options that are available for that menu item. And then you would enter the quantity, section, and sequence. And in this case, we're going to put 10 prime ribs and 10 lamb chops. And the sequence on the other order screen was 12, where the buffet was, so we're going to put 14 here and 15 here. Then we click Save, and we can see in the background that those items have been added to the order. We're going to exit here, and you can see the items added here. That's how you add optional menu items.